The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. This substantial Vietnamese soup has a sweet and sour tang, thanks to the use of pineapple, tamarind juice, and tomato, and can be made with shrimp, squid, or fish. It is served with rice and other dishes rather than as a separate course, embodying the Vietnamese principle of balancing salty, sweet, sour, and hot flavors in a single bowl. Seafood. Fresh seafood, combination of shrimp, squid, and fish fillets, cleaned, shelled, and cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 pound EC1. Marinade. Garlic, minced, 2 cloves. Finger-length red chili, deseeded and minced, 1. Fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. Freshly ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Soup base. Oil, 2 teaspoons. Onion, thinly sliced, 1/2. Lemongrass, thick bottom part only, outer layers discarded, inner part sliced, 3 stalks. Chicken or fish stock, or 2. 3 stock cubes dissolved in 6 cups hot water, 6 cups. Large red tomato cut into wedges, 1. Fresh or canned pineapple cut into chunks, 1 cup. Fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. Tamarind juice, IC 2 tablespoons. Sugar, 1 tablespoon. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon, for serving. Bean sprouts, seed coats and tails removed, 2 cups. A baby cucumber, cut into matchsticks, 1. Mint leaves or sprigs of coriander leaves, .e. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Prepare the seafood. Clean and shell 1 pound of fresh seafood, a combination of shrimp, squid, and fish fillets. Cut each into bite-sized pieces and set aside in a large bowl. If using shrimp, peel and divine them, leaving the tails on if desired for presentation. Step 2. Make the marinade. In a small bowl, combine the marinade ingredients: 2 cloves of garlic, 1 finger-length red chili, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix well until the ingredients are evenly distributed. Step 3. Marinate the seafood. Pour the marinade over the prepared seafood and mix thoroughly until every piece is well coated. Cover the bowl with a cloth and allow the seafood to marinate for at least 20 minutes at room temperature. This step infuses the seafood with aromatic garlic, chili, and umami flavors before it meets the broth. Step 4. Prepare the vegetables and aromatics. Thinly slice 1/2 onion. Take 3 stalks of lemongrass, discard the outer layers, and slice the thick inner bottom part. Cut 1 large red tomato into wedges. Cut 1 cup of fresh or canned pineapple into chunks. Cut 1 baby cucumber into matchsticks and set aside for serving. Rinse 2 cups of bean sprouts, removing any seed coats and tails. Step 5. Prepare the tamarind juice. Soak tamarind pulp in a small amount of hot water and work it with a spoon until dissolved. Strain the liquid through a fine sieve, pressing to extract as much juice as possible. Discard the seeds and fibers. You need 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice for the soup. Cooking steps. Step 1. Stir-fry the aromatics. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a wok or stock pot over medium heat. Add the thinly sliced onion and sliced lemongrass and stir-fry for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant and golden brown. The lemongrass should release its citrusy aroma, and the onion should become translucent and slightly caramelized at the edges. Step 2. Build the broth. Add 6 cups of chicken or fish stock to the wok along with the tomato wedges and pineapple chunks. Mix well and season with 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Increase the heat to high and bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce to a simmer uncovered for 1 minute. The broth should take on a golden amber hue from the tamarind, with the pineapple and tomato infusing their sweet tart character into the liquid. Step 3. Cook the seafood. Add the marinated seafood to the simmering broth and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the shrimp turn pink and the squid and fish fillets are just cooked through. Be careful not to overcook, the seafood should remain tender and succulent. The marinade's garlic and chili will meld into the broth, deepening its flavor. Step 4. Add bean sprouts and adjust seasoning. Add 2 cups of bean sprouts to the pot and mix well. Taste the broth and adjust the seasoning by adding more fish sauce and tamarind juice if needed. The soup should strike a balance between salty, sweet, and sour. Remove from the heat as soon as the bean sprouts are warmed through to keep them crisp. Step 5. Serve. Ladle the hot soup into individual serving bowls. Top each bowl with cucumber matchsticks and 3-4 mint leaves or sprigs of coriander. Serve immediately with steamed rice and other Vietnamese side dishes for a complete meal.